Homeopathic home remedies. Growing up, it seemed that no matter what was wrong with my brother and I, my mom always had something with a nasty taste or smell that would heal any cuts and scrapes, and I swear if I came home with plague she would have made some kind of bubbling potion that would cure it. One, tea with lemon. The first thing they will tell you to do when you get a cold is to drink tea with lemon. This will usually relieve some of the symptoms and give you temporary relief. The reason this works is simple. The hot water from the tea helps open up your repertory system, and the lemon is full of vitamin C, which is good for your immune system. Taking vitamin C every day can help you avoid cold before they start. 2. Antiseptic soup. I know the name antiseptic soup does not sound appealing, but the soup is made from garlic. The soup helps open the repertory system. The soup also helps kill the germs already in the body causing the cold, and by adding a tablespoon of onion juice you can help remove toxins from your body to help speed the body's recovery time. 3. Ginger. Ginger is another way to lower a fever. It is prepared by cutting up about an ounce of ginger and then boiling it in water. Then strain the brew into a glass and add some sugar. A tastier but less effective way is to just cut up a few small pieces of ginger and putting them in a glass. You then pour boiling water into the glass and then put a tea bag into the water. Ginger should be used twice a day to lower the fever, then once a day till the cold is gone. 4. Okra. Okra is a green vegetable, that kind of looks like a cross of a pepper and zucchini. The vegetable is filled with mucilage, which is great for soothing sore throats. Cut about 10 grams of okra and boil them in about 1 liter of water. After the water boils you can inhale the steam and drink the water. The water will look oily. This oil is what soothes your sore throat. 5. Seeds and nuts. After the fever goes down it is permissible for the patient to resume eating solid foods, but it is best to stick with fruits, vegetables, seeds and nuts, and avoid things like dairy and meats for the first day or two. Go for the source. All of the remedies so far have been ways to relieve the effects of the cold, but this remedy is aimed at curing the entire cold. The bitter gourd root is made into a paste and mixed with homi. For every 1 teaspoon of bitter gourd root add 1 teaspoon of honey. Take a tablespoon of the mixture every night for 30 days to rid yourself of the cold germs and to help rebuild your immune system. Turmeric root. This cure will cure everything that ails you. It will rid you of all the suffering from sore throats, congestion and runny nose. For this cure you want to buy the turmeric root in a powder form. Pour half a teaspoon of the turmeric root powder into a pot with 1 cup of milk and bring to a boil. When the mixture begins to boil, deeply inhale the steam. Then allow the milk to cool slightly and drink this twice a day. In just a few days you will feel better. These are just a small example of all the home remedies that are out there. I have personally tried several of these methods, and can vouch for their effectiveness. Homeopathic treatment of acute dental conditions. Facebook, Twitter. Partager. We rich person been in homeopathic practice now for over 20 days. We remember the first time we attended a conference of the International Foundation for Homeopathy, a number of old age after we were out of school, and heard a presentation by Jennifer Jacobs, MD, on using homeopathy for acute accent dental problems. Surprising though it may seem, it had not occurred to us how helpful the marriage of and dentistry could be. There are relatively few dentists who use with their patients, which makes it that much more important for other wellness practitioners to be familiar with this information. How many multiplication wealthy person friends, or patients recounted their woes of painful dental emergencies when they were far from domicile or were unable to get in quickly to see their dentists. We, and other homeopaths, give birth found to relieve ague tooth and gum pain until appropriate maintenance tin be obtained and, in some cases, to prevent the need for such upkeep. Tin can also be very effective in the treatment of chronic dental problems, but that is beyond the scope of this article. We recommend breastfeeding for at least 1 year before introducing dairy products. Giving the baby something cold to chew on often relieves discomfort. This toilet be a pacifier or teething ring that has been placed briefly in the freezer, or ice wrapped in a clean, wet cloth. If you cannot find homeopathic medicines, in a pinch you give the baby dilute chamomile tea. If you cannot find the single best indicated homeopathic medicine, try the homeopathic combination teething tablets available in any food store and most pharmacies. Don't leave home without it. Unless you or your family member's intense dental emergency happens to occur down the street from a homeopathic pharmacy, the chance of your helping yourself and others is dependent upon having your homeopathic kit within reach. We privy tell you how many modern times we've reached into our glove compartment or pack to help out someone at a party or on a hike or kayaking trip.